Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Irene. If you're new here, today I am going to be reviewing the new product launch from Uncle Funky's daughter, their Maximum Thermal Protection hairline. I have been super excited to try these products. They were sent to me to try. If you guys don't know, I'm an Uncle Funky's daughter ambassador, so I get to try their products all the time. And I just got finished doing my hair and yeah, it looks good. It looks good. So if you want to see the entire process from like shampooing all the way down to straightening, then just keep on watching. Of course, I started off with shampooing my hair. This is their Purifying cleanser. It's infused with silk, bamboo, and quinoa, all of which strengthen your hair and prevent heat damage. It has a really nice consistency that allowed me to distribute it throughout my scalp and down my hair shaft really easily. You can see that it has an instant lather. It also smells really nice, which I'm not surprised by because I enjoy all of Uncle Funky's daughter shampoos because they always have this luxe spa-like scent, and this one is no different. I was able to do some finger detangling. After rinsing my hair, I didn't feel like my hair was stripped at all, which was really nice. And I like the fact that the shampoo is purifying without leaving my hair feeling like straw. Now it's straight into deep conditioning. This collection doesn't have a regular rinse out conditioner, but I didn't miss it at all because this deep conditioner is very thick and hydrating, as you can probably see. If you like thicker deep conditioners, then this one is for you. I personally wish that it was in a jar because it's really hard to squeeze and shake the product out. But the product itself is great for replenishing moisture and reducing breakage because it also has strengthening ingredients in it, which is exactly what my high porosity, medium to low density hair needs. I like to do a majority of my detangling with my fingers, and then I follow up with a paddle brush just in case I missed any tangles or knots or anything. You can see I'm having no issues at all with detangling. This product just has the right amount of slip. I left this in for 30 minutes and then I rinsed with cool water. Next is the primer. This adds an extra layer of heat protection and it also reduces frizz. I think the key to a great flat iron starts with how well your blowout comes out. And I noticed my hair wasn't as frizzy, which allowed for my flat iron results to come out more sleek. This product is very lightweight and I love how fine the mist is. After I sprayed the primer to each section, I went in with the split end serum. This product is also very lightweight and absorbs well into the hair. I used a nickel size amount on each section, making sure to focus the product on my ends, and whatever was left over, I worked up to the rest of my hair. This formula did not weigh my hair down at all. I noticed that it gave my hair more slip and it made it a little bit easier for me to blow out my hair. Now, I don't think anything can permanently seal split ends, but I had a lot of them. I made sure to trim my hair after I did this video, but even before trimming my ends, my hair was noticeably smoother than the last time. Here's a picture of what I mean. Let me know if you see the difference in my ends specifically. Before blow drying, I brushed my hair to make sure that the primer and the serum were evenly distributed, and I started to blow dry my hair with low heat and then I finished it up with high. The last product I applied was their 3-in-1 Shine Booster. This added a really nice shine to my hair without weighing my hair down once again. It also reduced frizz as well. A little bit of this product goes a long way. Literally 1 pump per section was good enough for me. And then I just started flat ironing my hair as usual using the chase method. I think that this was my best flat iron to date. I don't know if you guys ever noticed, but I've never made a flat iron tutorial before because I always felt like my hair just looked puffy and just not the type of results I would like. But these products helped me to get the sleekest results ever. If you wanted to try any of these products for yourself or the whole entire collection, I have a 15% off code for you. It's Ireneellaaaa with 4 A's. I will leave it in the description box just in case you guys wanted to try these products for yourself and save some coin at the same time. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I honestly enjoyed this entire collection. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products yet or if you're going to try them out. If you like to use heat on your hair, I think it's a good idea to give these products a try. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!